Hello and welcome to Project Hot Horse episode number 29. Episode 28 was a short video, but a lot went on. What had happened was my cousin was supposed to record a crucial part, but he wasn't recording at the time. So, but yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. We cut the rest of the floor out, the wheel wells. We had to cut the wheel wells short here, and then I had to cut the rest of it, but it's basically like how you're comfortable cutting. Some ways you're positioned, you can't cut certain stuff, so we just cut the top of the wheel wells, and then I went underneath and cut everything short. Now, the main problem I'm having before I do the rest of that in here, I can't drop this body until I figure out the issue with these quarter panels. Now, if you look here, it's got like a flaring each quarter panel. There's a side view. The tire stock will come up in there, but it's this wall in here that is basically screwing things up, because if I just drop the body, the wheels are basically just going to get pinched in here and in there. So I tried different wheels. As you can see, these are aluminum Kragers that I put on here, but that didn't really change anything. It's basically how long the axle comes out versus how width-wise short the body is. But what I'm gonna do is, these were on the back of the Bronco when the fire happened. These are perfectly fine. They didn't melt or anything, so there's no damage to them. The first one's totally melted, the aluminum rims that were up front. But I like these bigger wheels, and the tires are still good. So I'm going to put them on there, and I'm going to think of a way to fix this issue. What I'm actually thinking about doing is, I have the front fenders from this Bronco. The only thing I did was cut the backs off them to hide the firewall here. Sorry, but the rest of the fenders are back there, so what I'm thinking about doing is using that to maybe bring it out, a piece out, and then cutting out this wall. So it's basically just going to be a huge flaring. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing. But right now I'm going to get those other wheels back on. Alright, I got the wheels that I want on there. You can see there's about an inch between the tire and this bottom lip. Even if I cut that lip out, this up here is still going to be a problem because the quarter panel goes inward. So I'm going to go back in the junk pile, fish out the fenders from the front, and maybe I can use them to make some sort of flaring for up here, and then cut that piece out. So for some reason I couldn't find the rest of the front fenders to this, but the front fenders from the LeBaron might work. As you know, that's where I got the front end from, and also, so I'm thinking, I have this nice straight body line. And yeah, I think if those two meet, it'll actually be perfect. Holy shit. Oh my god, why is that so fun? Alright, let me look at this. Oh man, oh, that's a lot of work. You know what? I'm gonna have to put, so that's the driver's side fender of the LeBaron. I'm gonna have to put the passenger side of the LeBaron on the driver's side of the Bronco. Does this not make sense yet? of a bitch. How's that look? You know what? Oh, you know what? That looks way better. Let me try to get better views. So yeah, what I'm thinking is, I'll just put venting in there with like other crap, but the bottom of that quarter panel, or the fender, the bottom of the LeBaron fender is gonna come with the body there, and then it goes back. Yeah, I have this peak here. This is gonna be on this line here. The bungee cords aren't really helping me right now, but this peak will probably come to here, and then this to here, and just round this whole back piece. That works. That works right there. I'm loving that. Alright, well, it's the end of the day for me. While I was doing this, I was also clear coating a table I had made, and I also somewhat restored a toolbox that I got yesterday. So I am done for today, but I'm hopeful because this idea, I'm really liking it. A lot of people are probably looking at this and going, oh my god, that looks fucking dreadful. But if you think about like trophy trucks, they sort of have this. They have that step out, and then it's a big wheel well, big flaring. I love the look of that. So I'm definitely doing this. Plus, later down the road, if I ever want to put anything bigger in here, I can do it. So yeah, I'm definitely doing this. I like this little flat spot here. What I'll probably do is I'll probably tack everything along here, and I'll tack the bottoms when I'm ready to finally install them. I have a lot of measuring to do and all. And I cut basically everything I think I needed cut off, but like down there, I would like to cut it more so it fits better. But yeah, that's about it.